Over a distinguished career that spans 3 decades, Judge Sotomayor has worked at almost every level of our judicial system, providing her with a depth of experience and a breadth of perspective that will be invaluable as a Supreme Court justice. I think they are going to be an invaluable resource to all of us sitting around the table. Given his past record of service as Secretary of Commerce, he was invaluable in all these negotiations.
At great personal risk and sacrifice, they have made countless invaluable contributions to our national security and to the safety and security of all Americans.
Jordan is an invaluable ally.
We've been receiving invaluable support in our development endeavors.
But having that discipline and that skill set is still going to be invaluable. And although New Zealand obviously is a small country with a small armed forces, the cooperation that we have on intelligence issues, New Zealand's excellent efforts when it comes to training and participating in peacekeeping operations makes it an invaluable partner. So we're very appreciative of that. So overall, but it's not just the natural beauty of the San Gabriels that makes it invaluable.